Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Nam, and I'm going to go over today our lesson for Tuesday, September 22nd, for my 7th grade science kids. And our title today for our lesson is the Ball and Ring Lab, and that we're going to talk about. Okay. Yesterday we talked about why liquid in a thermometer moves the way that it does, why it goes up when the temperature increases, why it goes down when the temperature decreases. Okay. So for your do note today, is what I would like for you to describe is why the liquid in the thermometer moves lower in the tube when it put in cold water. Okay, so why does that happen? Think about the particles. That was your do now for today. Okay, your agenda, guys, is we just went over the do now. We're going to do our learning target, our scientist of the day, since it's Latinx Heritage Month, breakout groups, and then you had just some independent work. Okay, so your learning target for today was that we are talking about you will model what happens to solid particles when heat is added or removed. So what happens to those particles? That's what we're focusing on today. Okay. Your scientist for today is Arnaldo Tamayo Mendez. He was the first person of African descent and the first Latino into space in 1980. Born in Guantanamo, Cuba, he was a pilot for the Cuban Air Force and then an astronaut for the USSR, and conducted experiments on living in space and the cause of space adaptation syndrome. Okay. So we put you in breakout rooms today, but most of you were in class. If you were not, unfortunately, you won't out to the breakout room and you'll kind of be on your own. But you know the expectations. Unmute your microphone, try to turn on your camera if you feel comfortable, and make sure that everyone's share is moving on. Okay? Alrighty, guys. So what you did was you are going into the breakout room and you're opening up this Ed puzzle. Okay? We've done an Ed puzzle before. But when you open it, it's going to open up a video. It's a short video, 3 minutes, but you're going to play it. Miss Beatty did the lab for us. So when you play it,
so I have here.
So you're going to go through this video. At each point, there are different questions that you might need to answer for multiple choice. Please answer those as you go. Okay. And once you are done with watching that lab, the next thing you are going to answer is, why did the balloon inflate? Okay. And you're going to talk about particle motion, spacing, and pressure. And you can answer that right here in this box. Okay. Once you've done with that, guys, we just have some independent work today. The first is a math states of matter simulation, and the ball and ring work quiz. You click on the simulation, it'll show you how to work through it. You're just going to play around with that, see what happens with different situations for that matter. And then there's a ball and ring work and quiz. So if you click on this, it should open up a Google form that is going to take you to the form. Okay? And you should be able to finish that, and then you'll be done for today. Okay? If you have any questions like always, please let me know. And if not, then I will see you folks tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.